Hi everyone, Chris here with My Old House Fix, and today grab your tool belt and get ready to blast off to a location over in Europe because we're going back to a post from a few days ago. The post where I was asking you, 1, do you like old houses? 2, do you like to restore old houses? And would you be willing to go overseas to do it? So I was contacted by Julie Berke from Erwin Entertainment on an awesome opportunity for some members of our group, possibly. She's looking for talent for an upcoming TV show where houses will be restored overseas in Europe. It's a to-be-determined location, but I promise you, you'll love where the location is at. They're looking for talent and contractors, one person, maybe a team. It doesn't matter, but the main thing, they're looking for talent and people that know their stuff when it comes to old houses and old house restoration. Also, it's a TV show, of course, so you need to be comfortable in front of a camera. You need to be able to articulate what you're doing and why you're doing it, and be able to get that message across to the viewers while you're restoring these old houses. So, if you think you're interested, if you think you've got the knowledge and the willingness to travel, if this sounds exciting to you, I'll be working up a post here soon with all the details. Again, it's Julie Berke with Erwin Entertainment. It's a TV show that'll be coming up. It hasn't been sold to a network yet, so I can't release a whole lot of the details that she gave me. But I can guarantee you, like I said, you will love the location. If you love old houses, if you love working on old houses, and you always wanted to go overseas and maybe restore one, now is your opportunity. So I'll be putting out a post. I'll give you guys all the details, and if you think you might even be remotely interested, apply, get on their short list, and when more details come out, you could always decline at that point. But check it out, check out the details, and good luck to each one of you. Alright, I'm going to get back to work, and we'll see you guys later. This is Chris out here from My Old House Fix. See you guys.